Yeah, hi ladies and gents, this is Irene at Seriously Scrapping, and I am going to unbox a stone, a sphere. I've got three, so these are crystal spheres. So let's start with this one. Thank God this isn't the messy one. Sometimes they wrap it in the white stuff, that the foam, the little foamy white balls, and it goes everywhere. Oh my God, this is, I think this is the 7 kilogram one. Oh my gosh. Alright, let me get my scales. Yeah, this is definitely the 7 kilogram one. So these scales only go up to 3 kilos, but that's alright because once it goes past the 3 kilos, you can still keep measuring, if that makes sense. So, oh, hold on. This is, I'm pretty sure this is a flurite. Flurite is basically a purple-green stone. Sometimes it can be just purple, sometimes just green. It could even be amethyst. I'm not sure. Can't remember. Oh my fucking God. Woohoo! Alright, so this weighs 7 kilo. Oh, see that? It's from China on auction. I probably would have paid 170 for it. I'm not sure. I'll put it in the description below. Just go in the description and read how much each one was. So let's weigh this. This looks like an amethyst to me. I'm going to take it outside because you can see it better once it's outside, but let's just pop it on the scales. Okay, so alright, it's at 3 and I haven't dropped all the weight on it yet, so it's gone past 3, so that's 4. Oh fuck, it won't go any more than that. Hold on. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and it stopped. Oh, okay, so this is like 4.5 kilos. Okay, so it's not the 7 kilogram one. Okay, all right, so this is about 4.5 kilos, but why does it say 7150? Oh, okay, here it is. Okay, so 4 kilos 93, I'm guessing. 493. 4 kilos and 93. I don't know. But anyway, let's take this outside so we can have a look at its colours in greater detail. Oh my fucking God. Okay, shit. Alright. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, to my friend, Damien. Hi, Damien. Definitely a flurite. You can see the green through there. I thought it was an amethyst until I saw it in the light, but you can see, oh, fuck, look at that, isn't that gorgeous? The purple through it, the green. Wow. Imagine finding that in the bloody... Jesus. And I was told these bits through it is a good sign. It just adds to the I don't know. It's not a, oh, it is a crack, but they've kind of tried to blend it in a bit. But wow, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, fuck me. Oh, 4 kilos with one hand. Jesus, let's go in the sun. Hold on, let me put it in this. Like a little holder. Oh my gosh, look at it. Hold on, guys. I can't see what you're seeing because it's so bright, but hopefully you're seeing this. Oh my fucking god. Hold on. I can't see. So I can't see, but hopefully you're seeing this. Can you see all that? How beautiful. Look. Look at all that, Damien. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. Is it now you see why I'm so addicted to buying this shit. Oh, these are rainbow. You see how it's got those rainbow bits in there? See that? Are you seeing that? They're worth more with that. See here, that's like more of a quartz. Oh my god. See all that? That's like rainbow, aura, rainbow. Wow. This like kind of reminds me of agate, the way it runs through the lines like that. But yeah, that's beautiful. Beautiful. And that bit, I forget what it's called. I think it's called oxide or some shit. I don't know. They reckon it happens naturally and it adds to the authenticity or the value or whatever. But wow, look at that. Beautiful. I mean, it's got a few scratches, but doesn't matter. Jeez. Wow. That's stunning, man. That's a stunner. Absolute stunner. Look at that. Alright, I'm gonna go now. Alright.